Yo, what's up guys? Yo, what's up everyone? Good morning to all of you. Sa mga tao nga nag-like o sa mga tao nga nag-subscribe and also sa mga tao nga nag-watch sa kaning video. Good morning to you all. And yeah, in this video, mo na siya ang part 2 sa katong ako ang katong video na ako, di ba, atong last video na ako na maghatag ko og mga very small gift lang para sa atong mga low shekels nga mga player, which is nagdepende na po na siya nga ako ang mapilian or ako ang matakan nga nasa sa leaderboards nga makita na to diri sa kilid. Okay, what are we waiting for? Let's go! Okay, so now let's gonna start this grow garden, and this is a part 2 of the part 1. Well, obviously. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so as you can see here, yeah, daggan man siya kanre. So there are only 4 players lang na diri sa kaninga server. So which is dara siya. So ako ang pinakauna at tsaka nawala at naging 3 na kami. Okay, so siguro kani si Kalen. Okay, so si Kalen na to. So the first we need to do is to find Kalen. Okay, so asan si Kalen? Hello Kalen, where are you Kalen? Oh, Kalen, is this Kalen? I think not. Oh, di siya si Kalen. Okay, so siguro ka na siya kay 52 trillion na siya, and I think she or he is so very freaking rich siguro. Yeah, look at that. What's that? Oh, giant pine. Oh my god. Oh, actually ang giant pine cone is nag-stuck siya pag-ulang. Like bakulan jud siya nag-stuck yung giant pine cone, which is ako na po siyang giano dire. I just planted here. Oh, just look at that, man. Oh my god, my pets is so very freaking annoying. Oh, just look at that, man. Oh my god, matagal ko na pinangarap to, man, kasi yung last time na nag-stock to, hindi ko nakuha at hindi ko, maski lang, wala ko nakuha, man, kasi nag-stock siguro to like mga sayo kasi sa buntag, like it's very early in the morning, man. Like, can you even imagine, like, I'm so very freaking naghagok pa at that time, like I'm snoring like an idiot. And then wala akong kabalo nga nag-stock dai ang ang giant pine cone, which is also known as GPS. Giant pine cone seeds. Okay, so mo na siya. So ang iyang kon siya is 30% grown, so wala na siya. So ato siya ngan. Okay, so now let's go on sa si Kalen. So si Kalen is 4 million. Okay, so let's see if kuan siya kanang masugot siya sa atong offer. Nga same lang gyapon ang method katong kagahapon, which is mag-like siya sa kuan. If they like my garden, well, obviously I'm gonna give them a huge amount of valuable fruits nga nasa ko inventory. Okay, actually na ako inventory, guys. Okay, so mga par, eto yung inventory ko. All of this freaking food right now, it contains billions on it. Like, kani sila tanan ang ilang kuan, ang ilang price is billion. Okay, so kung di mo to, let's check it out. Okay, so mag-start na sa kaninga celestial nga what is this food again? Oh my god, it's sugar apple. Okay, so let's check this out. Okay, let's start. And how much is worth? Okay, boom, sira 2 billion. Okay, so karon is sa atong server is 5 na takabok, which is first lang Japon ko because I'm the first, you know. And we have 9 million and also 4 million. Okay, so I think this is our target right now. So ato ang goal is ato ni silang ipa-billion. Di ko gusto nga may players na sa akong server nga million, dapat konta angat tatanan. Okay. Okay, so billion ni siya tanan, right? Billion ni siya tanan ako na sa akong kanta nandre, except sa kaning bamboys. Actually ang kaning bamboo gi-craft na ako ni siya kay tungod kay na ako nga quest sa horse nga horse horse plant, or I don't know. Okay, so si Kalen. Okay, so I think this is Kalen. No, it's OG Shikue. I don't know saan kaya ang pa-pronounce niya ko. Oh my god, so we're freaking trash in garbage. Okay, so mo na siya si Kalen. Si Kalen pala is lalaki. Okay, based sa yung avatar right now is kwan siya, lalaki siya. So the first thing we need to do is, I think this Kalen player is rich, you know, like ang iyahang mga is sana, organize. Organize ang iyahang yung plants, like yung mga pineapples and stuff. Like, it's so very freaking cute. Like, diba din ako dito dati, right? Sa, like, as ice lang siya. Okay, ito si Colin. Yo, what's up, Colin? Hello. Let's say, hey, Colin. Yo, I'm so very freaking suspicious right now. Yo, you want some fruit? Okay. Like same lang gyapon na same lang gyapon method atong kagahapon, like yesterday, ato sa last video. So ato siyang offeran, I'll give you some good fruits, and if they like my freaking garbage garden. Okay, hey, do you want some fruit? Hey, oh my god, Tagalog pala tong si Colin. Good thing to know that he is Tagalog. Hey, you want some fruits? Gusto mo ba ng fruit? Fruit? Gusto mo ba ng fruit? Well, obviously, yes. Kung ako pa siguro kung na ako sa young shoes, well, actually, like, yes. Oh, diba? Yes. Oh, diba? Sabi mo. Okay. Sabi niya yes. Okay. Yeah, he said yes. Okay. Okay. What the freak? Okay. I'll give you fruit if you like my garden, just like same as before. Here, this. I'll give you this. I'll give you this. I'll give you this. Okay, it contains mas siguro kaning pitcher plant is wala man ako ni siya na nabuknog siya katungod kay I accidentally harvest it. So kada siya sa kanang pag siya na harvest is gold ni siya. I'll give you this. And ang iyahang kon siya is nasa mga 1 billion siguro. If Colin sell this fruit, well, actually instantly mahimo siya billionaire. Hey, I think di siya musugot ata. Hey, I'm telling the truth, man. I'm telling the truth.
Bruh.
Yo. Hey. Oh my god. Colin. Yo. Asa, tagaan ko ni mga pineapple. Oh my god, that's cute, man. Okay, so whatever sa yatan sa ko, well, duwaton ako. Pero akong yatan sa yanin ko ang kaning sana if you like this. You don't want Okay. I'm just gonna accept this. Okay, it's kinda sana. Okay, I like my garden, and I'll give you fruit. That's the deal. Yo, ipakitaan kong dako kayo like sa kon ko to. Yo, look at those freaking moon melons and stuff. Oh my god. Okay, that's the deal. I'll give you this. Oh my god, basta di siya gusto do. Like, lahi mo mga player ko ron do. I think si Colin is siya. Oh my god, I think di siya gusto. Di ka gusto may mong billionaire dito? Ha? Grabe ka ula po na nila. Like, ako ang second karon. Like, I am the kuan karon. Like, ako ang second karon. But it's so very freaking embarrassing, like ako ang nagkon-kunuhay. Pero also it's a part of my content, na like dagan ba ko diri ang ipang heart na ako, diri ang mga pang favorite na ako para ipang hatag na ako. I think this server is kinda wala kay siya yan. Si Colin ng tatuang ako pero I think he is lagging or something. Oh my god, and he is completely disappear. Where the heck? Oh my god, asa siya? Siya. Hey! Ayaw mo ba? Yo, Colin. I am completely serious right now. Like, this is not a joke. Man, this is not a joke. Actually, shout out pala kay Colin. Lang 4 million ang iyang shekels and I want to help him. Okay, but Colin is confused right now siguro kaya abin niya gurog scam or something like that. Pero actually it's kinda natural and normal, Kaya even me kung nasa ka ng mga Okay, Colin. I think Colin is lagging or dili siya magano. Oh, here. Here, oh my god, here, this is my garden, oh my god, you're gonna like it, yeah, I think I'm gonna give him a huge amount of coin, like 11 billion, like I have 11 billion, oh my god, di siya mag-ano. Yo, what the fuck are you doing, my dude? Yo, yung deal natin, nasan ka pupunta? Yo, what's up? Gagi, parang ayaw niya ata. Ayaw niya maging billionaire. Ayaw maging billionaire. Actually, this is all I got. Like, it's all only billions lang na socket. Doon kigamay pa ako na nakakuan. Napamutate ka ron. Yo, ayaw mo ba? Shit, parang ayaw niya ata, gagi. Hey, Khaled, hey. Damn this shit. Hey. Ayaw mo? Ayo, what the frick? And he could disappear too. Yo, mag-blink shot lang ina neto, gagi. Oy, ayaw mo ba? Neto? Yo, bibigyan na. Oh my god. What the frick are you doing, my dude? Where the... Oh, shit. Oh my god. Parang hindi niya ata gusto, men. Ayaw mo ata. Yo. Hey, Khaled. Oh my god. Hey, Khaled. Yo, I'm about to give you something right now, and you just waste it out. Like, don't you dare, cause every player dream this. Yung instant billionaire or even trillionaire. Okay. Yun, nakatuba na siya sa ako Kalen, yo, my garden is this way, not that way. Oy, hindi siya gusto, like, damn. Ano ba yun? Binabaliktad niya yung yung fence. Ano ba plano mo? Mag-iwi ka ng UFO? Gagawin mo ba yung yung open sesame na, yung pang kingdom na, yung... Hindi ko rin alam yun anong pinagsasabi ko ngayon. I'm stressing out, man. Parang ayaw mo ata, Khaled. Oh, sige, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Pero sige lang, I'm gonna give it to him. Okay, I'm gonna give it to him. Like, even though na okay, so I think this one. Kanang medyo tanaw na to kung saan mga presyo sa mga price sa akong ipambaliya. Okay, so how much is worth? Okay, so this so kani siya kay anang 2 billion. Okay, so I'm probably gonna give this to him. Even though nga di siya mag-like sa akong garden, well, actually para makatabang po ko sa actually. Okay. At hindi na siya gipad ka ganina. Okay, so thank you for your cooperation, my dude. Buti na lang, botan ko. I'm so very freaking kind right now. Okay, just accept the motherfucker. Oh, di ba? Matik. Oh, just sell that motherfucking shit. Like my freaking garden, you know. Oh my god. At dun. Oh, yeah, let's take a look, man. Let's take a look kung paano siya yaman in an instant. And 1, 2, 3. Yo. Wala man ata niya gisel. Yo, Kalen. Oh, basta iyahan na to. Yo. Okay. I think this server is cursed. And di ko maka-offer sa Obama Condre ka. I'm sure dili sila masatisfy aning ako ang Though, you take a look at that, man. Those freaking giant pine cone, 44 billion. Oh my god. Oh, what a freak. Okay. Damn, I think this, it doesn't work.